Riley?
Daddy, I want you. I'm a Tweety, Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to get shot.
You what?
I don't want to get shot.
I don't think they'll give you a shot today. They might give you a little medicine in your mouth.
Okay. I don't. I want to just that's what I think of.
What's the rest?
That's awesome.
Go ahead, start over. Uno.
Oh no, those this. Oh no, that hurt me.
Say it one more.
Oh no, this water single says 7 also 11 12. I counted.
Happy. Now act mean. Now act sad. Now act like you're hungry. Act like you just saw Katie. Do it again. Do it again. What do you say? You say, "Hi, Katie."
Hi, Katie.
And what is Katie?
She's my sister.
Yes. Act like you're seeing Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
What do you say to Mommy?
I love you, Mommy.
Alex, what's today?
November the 9th.
What day of the week is it?
Friday.
Is Friday a good day?
Yes.
Alex, what is the shape of the earth?
It's round, of course. We can go now.
Alex, are we done?
Yes. Now we can go pick up Katie. We can go pick up Katie.
That's right. Let's go to the car.
Okay.
You feel better?